Roughly twice a year, every streaming household has the same argument. Somebody looks at the total, somebody defends a service, and it ends exactly where it started. The reason isn't that you're bad with money. It's that the cost lives in your bank statement, the watching lives inside 6 different apps, and the two halves are never in the same place at the same time. This workbook puts them in one file. It starts with what you pay. Every subscription goes on the Services tab with its plan, its price, and how often it bills. Because services bill on different clocks, the workbook converts them all to one comparable monthly figure. A quarterly price divided by 3, an annual price divided by 12, and an every 4 weeks price multiplied by 13/12, because 4 weeks is not a month, and 13 charges a year is not 12. It counts down to every renewal and flags a free trial before it quietly becomes a paid one. Then comes the half almost nobody writes down. On the Watchlist tab, you log what you're actually watching and where it lives. Pick the service from a drop-down that reads your own list. Enter roughly how many episodes you got through and how long they run, and the hours are worked out for you. Films are 1 episode at their runtime. Live television and sport have no episode list, so you log those as sittings. Rough is fine here. You're looking for the difference between 2 hours a month and 40. The value tab is where the two halves meet, and it's the reason this file exists. For every service, it adds up the hours you logged, converts them to hours a month, and divides the monthly cost by them. That gives you cost per hour watched. In the worked household that ships with the file, one service comes out at 69 cents an hour, and another at $10.88. You set 2 thresholds once, and the workbook applies them to everything, so you stop arguing about each service separately. Keep when the cost per hour is inside your good value line. Watch more when it sits in between. Rotate when it's poor value but there are titles still queued up waiting. And cancel when it's poor value and nothing is waiting at all. The queue is what separates those last two. Rotating is the option most households miss. Instead of paying for a service all year, you keep it for the months you're genuinely watching something on it. Cancel and come back when the next season lands. The rotation planner is a 12-month grid. Mark the months you plan to be subscribed, and it prices that year against paying for everything all year. In the example household, that's $439. It's also honest about what it won't count. A service you already canceled has nothing to save against, and an annual plan is already paid for. There is something faintly absurd about paying a monthly subscription to an app that helps you cancel monthly subscriptions. This is a spreadsheet. You buy it once. It opens in Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice. Nothing about what your household watches leaves your own drive, and every threshold and formula is yours to change. That's the streaming service value and watchlist workbook from Ardent Workshop. The links are below.